Hey, buddy. I'm sorry to bother you, but do you want to help me? All right. You sure? Huh? Okay. We are going to show everybody us building our Subaru engine for the ESX, okay? Yeah, it looks cool, huh? We are going to install the TGV deletes.
Wow.
Yep, and the intake manifold, right? For us to install those, first we have to put the coolant crossover pipe on, okay? Remember that's the one I painted yesterday, remember? For everybody at home, we're gonna be installing the Medusa header probably tomorrow. I'm waiting for the OEM studs to get delivered. This is the IAG TGV delete kit. So this is all the hardware that it comes with right here. You got these 4 long bolts, the 4 short ones, all Allen heads. These 4 bolts you see here are for my crossover pipe. I got some water pump thermostat housing, gasket maker. Not really needed with these type of seals, but I'm OCD and like to be overcautious, okay? I've also got my torque wrench here, my 3/8 drive impact, my 3/8 drive ratchet, short extension, and 10mm deep socket. I've also got a reducer. I'm actually not gonna need this anymore because I went to my 3/8 drive torque wrench. And the Allen size for these bolts, for the IAG TGV delete bolts, is a 6mm Allen. All right, okay, so come here, you're gonna put yours right here. Yours goes right there in that hole, like that. Yep, good job. You're gonna put that one on this side. Okay. Good job.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Give me the gold ones. Yep. There you go. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. 4 bolts. That's right. Bolts in. Nice. All right. Good job. And now come on this side. Right there. Thank you, sir. Good job, man. You got it. Good job, buddy. You're gonna want to spin it with your finger like that, okay? Go ahead, spin it. Let me show you. Spin it. Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna do the TGV deletes, buddy, okay? So we gotta open this pack. This has all the gaskets in it. Yep, the gasket.
It's beautiful.
It's to seal the intake right, so there's no air leak on top. I'm gonna show you right now.
Fix it and not get that in it. Well,
And garbage, please. Thank you. So we got the tape off here now, right? You can see right here our RevWorks cylinder heads.
on there.
Yep, but how does it go? Like this? Like this? How does it go?
It goes like this.
It does go like this. You're right. Good job. That one. Let me get it for you. Thank you, sir. And then get 2 of the long bolts. That's 2 right there, right? Is that okay? All right.
You go, Dada.
All right. So now I need you to put 1 in this hole. You gotta be careful, please. Okay, come here. Put 1 in this hole. There you go. Put the other one in this hole. Nice, man. Nice work. All right. Yes, the short ones. Did you get 2 bolts? Yes, you did. Good job, buddy. Right in there. Good job. The Allen head socket. No, the socket. Yeah, nice job. spin it. You spin it with your fingers so you get all the way down. Yep, keep going. Yeah, you gotta use your fingers. Yeah, there you go, like that. That's how you do it. Perfect. You always want to do that just to be safe, right? You want to use that to go all the way down, right? And then you can tighten it with your tools, okay? Okay. You gotta hold this part with your other hand. Hold that. There you go. Hold it still. Hold it. There you go. Hold it. Hold it like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. You gotta torque it down, okay? So the torque specs for the TGV deletes to the cylinder head bolts, which is these two and that one, are 18.4 foot-pounds, okay? So we are at 26, so 18.4, we're gonna get close to it. We're gonna go 18.5, okay?
Good job, Dada.
Thanks, buddy. All right, remember, when you hear the click, you gotta stop, okay? Okay?
Okay.
All right, pull it. Pull it. Yeah, good job.
Dada.
Yeah. Are you gonna stop?
Yeah, I hear a click.
Yes.
Stop.
That's right. All right. Now we gotta do this side, okay? You did very good over there. All right. So, looking at this one, all right, we gotta line up all the holes. So it goes like this,
Yeah.
right?
Goes like this.
Okay. Did you grab the TGV delete over there?
Is there?
Yep. TGV delete like we did the other side? Yep. Good job. Can you have that, please? Okay. Good job.
I told you I can do it.
Yes, you did tell me.
Right here.
Yep. Good job. Good job, buddy. You're doing very well. Good job.
Another click. Like you, my Dada.
I'm your dada?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
And you fixed everything and cars and TVs.
Well, yeah, I try to fix everything, yeah.
And you can do this.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
And you never get up.
I what?
You never get up.
I never get up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure what that means, but okay.
You never get up that.
Oh, never give up.
Yeah.
Oh, I never give up. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
And you fixed everything.
I do try to fix everything.
You fix cars.
You're right.
And you fix walls.
Yep, I
You
did.
fix TVs. And you can do everything.
Thanks, buddy.
And you can get up.
I can't give up. You're right. Thank you.